Woody, you know what I think to do today?
Yeah. Let's talk for a little bit. So,
why is your hair so fake, perter?
Well, I mean, I polished my head last week.
Well, it looks weird. You need to go get a barber.
My head kind of has like chocolate swirls on it or something.
It tastes like, Play-Doh.
Well, why do you eat Play-Doh?
Because it's the only space food we got in space.
You're just really getting on my nerves. How do you eat Play-Doh? How do you not get super sick from that?
Just put your hair back on.
Okay.
Don't worry about the paper.
You're a bully, man. You gotta stop.
That's my career. Bully.
Give me my hat.
No, come get it. Come get it.
Give it to me.
Go fetch, doggy.
You know what? I'm done with you, Buzz. You're such a jerk. I'm just gonna leave. We're not friends anymore, you know?
Okay, I'm fine with that. Let me take another bite of your hair, chocolate man.
You know what? No, I'm done. You can't just talk to me this way. Bye!
Bye! Adios!
You can have the stupid house, by the way.
Thanks! Adios! Amigo! I'm gonna go to bed. Because the paperwork's earlier. And if you can spot the stuffed animals in the background, and I'm not going to tell you where they are, I'm not going to give you a hint, but if you can spot them, those are the ones that are going to be added next week, day, maybe even month, maybe in a year. We don't know. Maybe even ever. And maybe in 25 something. We don't know. But don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my bed, sleeping. Tell me if you like my light or my jetpack. Whatever, chicken or rooster, whatever you are, wake me up at 9 a.m. Good night, fans. Oh, you woke me up before I even woke up. Wait, no, I woke up and then you... Is it even 9? No, it's 8. Why'd you wake me up at 8? I mean, the paperwork says to 3 a.m. I could have woke up at that time. Let's go to the couch, you guys. Where's Woody? He left his hat, by the way. And, so, yeah. Oh, and if I didn't tell you, I am going on a vacation, so you might not see me for... You might see me tomorrow, but maybe not see me for a day. But there will be new characters coming. Yeah, so have good luck finding the puppets in the background who will be added next week, day, or year, month, or year. Yeah, or 25. Now, where is my extra robot part? I don't know, but I feel sad for Woody. And that hat's over there. I don't want to grab it over there. And I'm low on batteries, which I can see in mid-eye. I gotta go charge up soon. You know what? I'm just gonna say sorry to Buzz, or Woody, I mean. Fans, should I go say sorry? I'm already thinking of doing it. Okay, fans, let's go.
What the?
Hey, Woody.
Buzz, what are you doing here? I didn't know he had a jetpack.
Yeah, it's new.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Oh, and here you go.
Oh. Well,
but
I'm
sorry.
You're sorry? Sorry doesn't cut it.
Give me a hug.
Maybe that cuts it. Oh.
Let's go back to the couch like normal people.
Okay. I'll enjoy watching a movie with you, Buzz.
Have good screaming and falling off the cliff.
Oh,
how'd you get here faster?
Oh. Ow. It was kind of a fall.
Yeah.
If you heard me scream ow, that's what happened.
Yeah, I didn't really hear it because my jetpack's really loud.
Yeah, so I just want to try to fly like you. Okay?
Don't try it.
You go fly off. What do you mean? What do you? What do you mean? What do you?
I'll watch you from up here.
Okay.
He really broke a bone. Hey, you okay?
I think I broke a bone.
I think the fans like that.
Do you?
Probably. You broke a bone for that,
I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try again.
but try it again. No, come back.
I'm gonna try again.
Woody, don't you dare do it.
If I get stuck in, I'm just gonna. You know what? The video should end where I'm stuck in the air. Okay? Here I go.